to our passenger, okay? Say Kai.
Hi.
For today's menu,
For today's menu,
we have
we have
chicken rice
chicken rice
and fish pasta.
and fish pasta.
Which do you want?
Which do you want?
Passengers?
Okay, pasta.
Pasta?
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice. Say excellent choice.
Excellent choice.
For the drinks,
For the drinks,
we have
we have
coffee,
coffee,
tea,
tea,
and juices.
and juices.
Which do you want?
Which do you want?
Coffee, please.
Tea, please.
Okay.
Alright, say good choice.
Good choice.
We'll be back shortly
We will be back shortly
with your meal.
with your meal.
Okay, very good. Come, can the two cabin whose parents are here? Okay, can come forward. Okay, then later you can clear, okay?
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
come cabin crew, take a seat, please. Alright, very good. So after a very long flight, many hours later, our captain has just told us that we're finally landing in Doha. So now that we're landing, we need to make our landing announcement. Okay, can we have the next cabin crew come here? Okay, just need to repeat after me, okay? Say
Kai.
Kai. Airport.
Airport.
By the local time.
With the local time.
Clear the tables. Come. Can we all stand up, please? Okay, before you clear the tables, you need to ask for permission first. Stand back. Okay, can we all repeat after me? Say Kai.
Kai.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Are you done with your meal?
Are you done with your meal?
Yes.
Yes.
May I clear your tray?
May I hear your tray?
Of course.
Yes,
Okay, very good.
please.
Come, all those clear what you gave and served just now, okay?
Thank you for the
Thank
food.
you.
It's very yummy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the drink.
Okay, sit down.